Okay, I'm going to show you how you're going to set up your simulation to complete the test for system X, and then how you're going to do it for system Y. So the first step says add a medium sample to represent the water in container X. I'm going to cool that one to 4.5 degrees Celsius, and then add a medium sample to represent the water in cup X, and warm that one to 38.6. So I'm going to open up my simulation. I'm going to add my medium sample. Did that. Then I need to cool it to 4.5 degrees Celsius. So I want to stop when this gets to 4.5, right? So don't go too far. Then my second object is going to be a medium sample also, and I'm going to warm this one to 38.6. So I'm going to press this. It's still not there. There we go, 38.6. So it takes 2 clicks. All right. So now I have my 2 samples. Next step is to record the starting thermal energy of both samples in the table below. So right here, starting thermal energy, I'm going to look at what it is for each one. Right. Sample A is 15 kilojoules. Sample B is 90 kilojoules. So I would put in 15 kJ, and then sample B, 90 kJ. Right. And then this box right here where it says system, that is going to be the total of all of them. The system is both samples. So it's blacked out for the starting temperature because you can't have a total temperature. We have a total energy though. So I'm going to add 90 plus 15 and I get 105 kJ. Then the next step is to put the 2 samples together, wait until they come to equilibrium. So you'll put them together, wait until the transfer stops, and then write down their new temperatures and new energies. Once you've done that, you'll start over. And in system Y, you're going to do the same thing, but this time make the second object large to represent the 300 milliliters of hot water. So you'll go back, make a medium one and a large one, and then put them to the same starting temperatures we have from the first one. Okay. So once you've collected all of your data, you can go ahead and start answering the reflection questions. Good luck.